Today we will be testing the HMA Kahlman trend and trend lines indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the HMA Kahlman trend and trend lines indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 57 strategies, with 14 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 754 indicators, with 304 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 11 of the winning indicators. 6 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best one a 64% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Okay, so today's indicator is the HMA Kahlman trend and trend lines indicator. You can see it here on screen. And so the setup on this is pretty easy. Visually, you can kind of tell what's going on here. So we have kind of an oscillating line or a moving average there. We have these clouds that are kind of following along with the moving average. And we have these arrows here, blue arrows and red arrows, or magenta type pink arrows, whatever you want to call them. Nonetheless, when we get a blue arrow, we are going to go long. When we get the red arrow, pink arrow deal, then we are going to go short. And so that's the setup we're looking for. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. Alright, so kind of rapid fire here right off the bat. We have the signal here. This is going to be a long signal, and on the very next candle, it flips and goes to a short signal, so that one would have been stopped out there. The short would have been stopped out as we flip back to a long signal right here, but then we do get a nice push to the upside there, and that does come up and get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, we then pick up a short right here. We can see that we get that red arrow there and the red cloud of moving average type combination, and we get a really nice push to the downside, and so that one does come down and get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, we then pick up a long signal right here. On the very next candle though, it flips to a short. And so that one would have been stopped out, that long there. The short right here, we pretty much consolidate for a couple days there, a couple candles, before we then flip back to a long, which would have stopped us out on that short. And then we got a nice push to the upside there, which would have gotten us to our take profit here on this long. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, we then pick up a short right here. We can see that we get a little bit of consolidation there before we get a nice drop to the downside. And so that one does get us to our take profit. Looks like we're going to pick up a long right over here. Let's go ahead and play that forward a little bit. Looks like that might have gotten us to our take profit. Yes, it did. Just barely got us to our take profit there on this long. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. So this is our Discord server here, and this is our Patreon only channel here where we have it set up. A private little channel for all of our patrons to hang out. This is one of our members, Sasquatch. He's an amazing Forex prop trader. He's posting pretty much every single day the market is open, putting up these charts where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, entries that he's looking to take. A lot of great information that he's putting out here for everybody to take advantage of. Really a lot of great information if you're trying to understand how to mark up charts with support and resistance, and areas of interest and so on. Our admin Jay also does a great job of putting up charts of the futures market, kind of same deal where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, things that he's kind of paying attention to, what he's looking for when he's analyzing these charts to then take trades and so on. So again, a lot of great information that they're putting out here for all of our patrons to take advantage of and really excel your trading knowledge to the next step. And so I highly recommend that you join us here. All right, back to our indicator here. Let's go ahead and get this in focus here. All right, so quite a few trades within the 1 year's time. Let's go ahead and count it out. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, and 37. So we have 37 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So we have 20 winning trades. And so that is not going to meet the 60% criteria that we are looking for. And so this indicator is pretty similar to just about every other moving average that we have tested. When used in this fashion anyways, so that you get these pinball actions, these clusters of losing trades, where price isn't quite sure which way it wants to go, and so it just kind of bounces up and down of that moving average there, and causing these whipsaw trades where you enter one direction, immediately get stopped the other way, immediately stopped back the other way, before it finally then picks up a direction and is able to move in a specific way, a specific direction. And so those clusters of losing trades really do eat away at the overall win rate of indicators like this. Obviously, I mean, we were 3 winning trades away from this hitting the 60% criteria, and a few of these clustered trades, if we would have alleviated a few of those, then we would have hit our win rate. And so you can see how very quickly they start to just kind of erode the winning trades. And so this one is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.